Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to earn money by shopping and delivering groceries, I will show you how to become an Instacart shopper step by step. First, open the Instacart app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within the home page, tap on the profile icon given at the top right corner. This will open a screen with different options and sections. Next, tap on the setting icon at the top. This will take you to the settings screen where you can see multiple sections. Scroll down to the more from Instacart section and here you will see an option called become an shopper. Tap on it. This will open the shoppers.instacart.com page in your browser. From here, tap sign up. Now you will see the sign up form with several fields. Please make sure to enter your first name, last name, email address, phone number, country and zip code. If you want, you can also add a referral code, but it's optional. Once all the required details are filled in, tap the create button at the bottom, and that's it. You have started the process to become an Instacart shopper. From here, you must follow the on-screen steps for identifying the verification and also add additional information if required. And that is how you can start your journey as an Instacart shopper, where you are ready to shop and deliver the groceries for extra income. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.